Hello guys, this is Alin Angelo Inungan. Today, we will discuss about the post-mortem changes in the body of a person after death. Post-mortem constitute the natural progression of the body's decomposition after death, beginning at cellular level. The process involves complex cellular and biological phenomena. The changes that commence immediately after death continue to occur over a prolonged period at different rates for different organs. The onset and extent of these changes are affected by multiple intrinsic and extrinsic factors. An understanding of the post-mortem changes, or the PMI, or time since death, that is the primary objectives of the forensic autopsy. There are four stages of post-mortem changes in our body. The first is the pallor mortis, the second is the livor mortis, the third is the rigor mortis, and the fourth is the algor mortis. Number 1, the pallor mortis, or the Latin word pallor, which means paleness, and mortis, which means of death. The first stage of death is an after-death paleness that occurs in those with light white skin. Pallor mortis results from the collapse of capillary circulation throughout the body. Gravity then causes the blood to sink down into the lower parts of the body. The second is the livor mortis, is also known as lividity or hypostasis, is the gravitational pulling of blood to lower dependent areas resulting in a red-purple coloration. Although livor mortis is commonly seen between 2 and 4 hours of post-mortem, its onset may begin in the early period as little as 30 minutes post-mortem. The third is the rigor mortis, is a post-mortem change resulting in the stiffening of the body muscle due to chemical changes in their myofibrils. Rigor mortis helps in estimating the time since death, as well as to ascertain if the body in which the rigor mortis is established is indicate of the position of the body at the time of death, unless the position is disturbed by external force. Rigor mortis may appear between 1 and 6 hours of an average of 2 to 4 hours after death. And lastly, the algor mortis is translated from Latin word as cold death, and describes the post-mortem temperature change after someone died. After death, individuals no longer produce body heat or cooling mechanism, and the dissident temperature slowly approaches ambient temperature. Algor mortis has been used as a tool to estimate the post-mortem interval between death and the discovery of an individual who has died.